Hi everybody, I'm Leanne.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we're bringing you Grasshopper Academy.
Grasshopper Academy was established in the summer of 2020 as a free after-school program for Concord, New Hampshire middle schoolers. The program was intended to use a STEAM lens to bring young people on a journey to explore the world around them, beginning with themselves. By emphasizing mindfulness and social-emotional learning techniques, we want to shed a light on tools that young people and adults alike can use to increase self-awareness. We first investigated what makes each of us individuals by creating recipes of me that outline the variety of ingredients that make each and every one of us unique. We also talked about culture and used maps to explore all of the places where we have geographic origins around the globe. Talking about genetics was fun, and we used Super Taster PTC taste test strips, group phenotype expression polls, and did a fun experiment that involved cilantro to learn about how DNA impacts our individuality and to continue to compare our vast similarities and differences. We were interested in learning about our ecosystem, so to begin our investigation, we took a walk around the schoolyard and discovered that there is an abundance of different species abound. They include many types of trees that surround the school, such as maple, birch, pine, and oak. The many wildlife types like songbirds, chipmunks, and squirrels. And we learned that there's a diversity of other plant species right below our feet within what we call a lawn, such as clovers, yarrow, plantain, chickweed, and many types of grasses. We practiced observing our surroundings using all of our senses, and we collected samples from the campus wetlands to examine under our foldscopes. We had a chance to practice with foldscope microscopes and begin our discovery into the fascinating microbial world that is not visible to the naked eye, but is just as diverse as the world around us. We did have to transition to remote meetings due to COVID-19, and we never got a chance to examine our pond samples. However, we never skipped a beat and made the most out of our virtual experience.
And take recyclable items from your house and try and create like an art project, because there's so much plastic in the oceans and it's really killing ecosystems around the world. And we were thinking a fun project could be for you guys to try and divert some of that plastic going into recycling and make something out of it.
Everyone took home a bag of supplies so we could continue with fun, hands-on activities we could do together. We did an experiment with pH using a special solution to test whether or not water samples truly had a neutral pH of 7 that we expected. We had a lot of fun with this experiment and received lots of mixed but very interesting results. We learned about biotic and abiotic factors and made our own terrariums at home. By doing this, we were able to create and demonstrate the systems involved in our very own mini ecosystems. For our final meeting, we had a STEM tower challenge using spaghetti and marshmallows. To celebrate, we drank hot chocolate and listened to a fun playlist. All in all, Grasshopper Academy 1.0 was a truly remarkable experience for one and all, and we can't wait to continue the investigation in the future.
So Grasshopper Academy was very rewarding. I felt like the kids really dove into all the different lab activities and put in a lot of effort, so it was great to see.
My favorite memory is the whole thing.
Just when we were in person and we did like a bunch of fun activities and we were just kind of like all talking and laughing. I really enjoyed that.
I love science. Science is literally my favorite subject and I love it. My favorite memory was when we were the first day that we started in school, because we were all doing activities together, and that's something that will always stick with me, because this is a very dark time and it's good to have bright sides to it.
Is when we tasted paper to see if we had a certain type of gene.
I taste it. What do you think? What does it taste like?
Kind of tastes like sugar a little bit.
I liked going down and collecting the water samples from the stream.
So sign up soon before the spots are filled up. Looking forward to meeting you guys.
Bye!